everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy way to scroll on Windows 11 without using a mouse. First, just place two fingers on your laptop touchpad, then simply drag them up or down like this. That's it. You can scroll smoothly on any page using the touchpad. And then if this doesn't work on your laptop, don't worry, just go to settings. And then next, just select on the device and Bluetooth, this one. And then next, just go to touchpad, this one. And then over here, just tap on scroll on and zoom. And then make sure the drag two fingers to scroll options is turned on. And once it's enabled, just try using two fingers again on the touchpad like this. And scrolling will work perfectly, no mouse needed. And okay, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.